Hi, this is Jarrett from Unist, and today we're going to replace the pulse generator. There's a few simple tools that you need: a flathead screwdriver and a 3/16 Allen. Let's get into it. First, we need to make note of where our pulse generator setting is, because after we do the replacement, we're going to set that setting back to where it was. Secondly, we'll need to remove these two bolts here and here. Now if your screwdriver isn't long enough, or if you have any issues removing them, you can remove the pump stack with these two bolts here. You can also just loosen to see if you can get enough angle on the screwdriver. I have a long enough screwdriver here to where I can get both the bolts off. Once removed, let's make sure no existing O-rings are left on the manifold block. And it's all clear. We can take our new pulse generator, make sure that all the O-rings are in place, screen's in place, and you also have a locator pin. The pulse generator can only go on one direction, so let's do that now. See, it fits flush with that locator pin. I know it's in place. And reset to where your pulses were. You should be good to go. And that's how you replace the pulse generator. If you need more information, contact us at unist.com.